What is going, guys? Isaac and Blake here. And today's video, we're gonna be fixing up Blake's Dune buggy. The story on this is we got it for 50 bucks from another friend. It was sitting for a very long time, let's just say 10 years plus. And they rolled it, they did a lot of stuff to it, bent a lot of stuff. So we had to buy a lot of stuff, repaint the whole thing, clean it up, make it run again. We've been ripping on it, but
yeah, you got it all wrong. I'm just having fun. We'll hang out tonight and tomorrow we'll be done. Yeah, you got it all wrong. Girl, don't waste your time here. I know what I want, and I'm doing just fine all by myself. Leaving, don't know where I'm going, but I'll find a reason, yeah. Now you're calling my phone, leaving all of these messages, wishing I was alone. I don't think you can save me from the spell that I'm under. Hey, this shit has been crazy, cause I can't do it no more. Fell in deep with a girl, and it's taking its toll. Cause everyone that has tried has ended up pushed to the side, and you're no different to me. Yeah, you got it all wrong. I'm just having fun. We'll hang out tonight and tomorrow we'll be done. Yeah, you got it all wrong. Girl, don't waste your time here. I know what I want, and I'm doing just fine all by myself. By myself. And you did what you thought I wanted, and you know what you thought you needed, but that shit ain't me, girl. No, that shit ain't me, girl. No, that shit ain't me.
let's go, baby! Alright, you ready? Alright, let's do it. Woohoo, baby! God, that thing looks so cool. I think it's so quick. See the track mirror. Take two, yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. reverse works. So we're gonna have to drive it back to his house, and he's in reverse. So this is gonna be interesting. Oh my. All right, a little update on the situation. So it seems to be, it is stuck in reverse. So if you look here, we gotta tighten. I can't see. Oh, that one right there. You can't really see it. Kind of see it right in the middle of the screen. We gotta tighten that because, hold on. This right here is loose and it's stuck in reverse. So we gotta, Blake's running back and getting pliers right now. His house is only like a couple minutes away. So I'm waiting here with the Dune buggy. He'll be back. Hopefully we'll be able to fix it and we'll be able to do some more, you know, we want to do some more drifts and donuts, but yeah, just kind of slipped out of drive there and it's in reverse, and now it's not going back. We already drove like 2 miles just to get it down here. We got her fixed! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah! Okay. So we got the problem fixed, huh?
Yeah, because I'm fucking smart.
Yeah, dude.
Smart but stupid at the same time.
That's awesome, dude.
Dude, I knew I didn't fucking tighten that down.
Yeah. There's some things that we forgot to do, but it still runs, so we good.
I'm wondering. I'm like, okay, I'm in neutral. Okay, it's not working. I'm throwing in reverse. Okay, reverse works, and then I'm like throwing into fucking drive, and I'm like, okay, there's no drive.
Well, no drive. Guess we're stuck in reverse, but yeah, we drove like 2 miles just to get over here. Yeah, now it works. So you ready to do a couple more drifts and some donuts? Yeah?
I want to get it home and tighten that down before we do anything.
Yeah, we should probably do that. We'll probably get home. He only lives like a mile or so away. And then we'll probably come back, do some donuts and drifts for you guys. So
we might trailer it to a spot.
yeah, we might trailer it to somewhere. That'd be freaking sick. So
go have some fun.
Go up north somewhere. Be awesome. So yeah, be with you guys in a bit. It's raining and we gotta get back to Blake's house. Oh jeez, yeah, it's definitely raining. Oh gosh. I will talk to you guys in a bit.